Hello friends, we are in Mostar, Bosnia for the day and I'm really excited to be here. I feel like this is the one and only place besides Sarajevo that I had heard about in Bosnia that I wanted to go to. So yeah, I'm excited. I am doing like a waterfall boat tour thing. How the fuck do I get out of this? Bus station. I don't know. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna walk down to the old town. It's currently 7:30 in the morning. I got up at 5:30 in the morning. I'm running on 4 hours of sleep. I'm exhausted, but I think today is gonna be a good day. I feel like I haven't done much since I've been to Bosnia, so I kinda need this. One of the American guys that I met when I was in Albania, he said definitely do the tour to these waterfalls, so I'm excited to do that. Check out the old town. I think I might try and go to the Museum of the Genocide, and yeah, that's kind of my plan for the day, so let's go. Friends, that wraps up my day trip to Mostar. If it's not on your bucket list, it should be. It's a beautiful, beautiful city. I really enjoyed my time here. Waterfalls were beautiful. It was a great tour. So if this is the first video of mine you've seen, I've been vlogging my entire Europe trip if you want to catch up. I have one more week left in Bosnia, then I'm going back to Montenegro, and then I'm going to Serbia. I had planned to make Iceland my last country, my 26th country in my life, not on this trip obviously, because it's my 26th birthday the day after, or the day before I get there, but I am going to Serbia. From Montenegro to Serbia, I'll spend a night in Budapest, get up to Warsaw, spend a few days there, my birthday, and then I am going to Iceland. So like I've said before, I got a lot to look forward to for the rest of this trip. I bought way more than I had planned to today. Bought something for my mom because it's her birthday when I get back, and then I also met a really nice guy who he said that his family 4 generations of this like plate carving, and I don't really know, metal, copper, beautiful plates. I wasn't planning to buy it, but he was so nice. And we were just talking for a while, so I was like, I'm gonna buy a plate because I think it'll also look really cool hanging up in my room. So why not? But it was more expensive than I was planning to spend today. But that's okay. Money comes back. Who knows? I'll probably never be back here. So, I mean, never say never. But anywho, thank you so much for watching today's video, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you when I see you.